Hi everyone. Here today I'm at the end of the Tamaki estuary, and the little green mountain there is called Browns Island. I don't know why. And this one here is Rangitoto, or as some locals call it, Rangitutos. And that is a dormant volcano, not an extinct one. It erupted 600 years ago, they reckon, and 600,000 maybe, and it could go off again, but there's no sign of it doing it. Of course, Tamaki Estuary is known to be a boating estuary where you park your boats, and of course while I've been here today there's been a continuous stream of boats going predominantly out, but a few are starting to return. Yes, because the time is getting close to lunchtime, so the early fishermen would have gone out, and boaties, and there is one or two people that have decided to somewhere over here. That one there, it looks like they're fishing here. Yes, that one there. And I need to stabilize my hands. So it's a great harbour for pleasure boats. Seagulls are having a nice paddle in the pool, doing what they do, maybe finding a crab or a shrimp, preening themselves. Yes. So today, being Waitangi Day, is a public holiday celebrating a treaty between the Europeans and the local people, the Maori. And the harbour is chock-a-block. Well, it's not chock-a-block, but there's quite a lot of boats out. And most of them are heading for fishing grounds past Browns Island. There's a channel out this way and a channel on the other side between it and Rangitoto. And as you can see, the tide is relatively low. A few water birds looking for crabs and shrimps and things. See if I can focus on a couple here. One there, and one not too far away from it. Yeah. On the hunt for food. Why has it gone that way? Ah, that's the wide. Yeah. So a lot of people would be at Waitangi today, celebrating Waitangi celebrations. They're a big celebration. And there are those of us that just want to come and walk on a beach. Looking up the Tamaki estuary over the huge drainage pipe that's here. So we'll see. And of course, there's the wonderful foreshore with the wonderful foreshore property. So let's have a look at some of the properties on the foreshore. We'll rest on the elbow on the drain pipe. Ooh, it's a bit rough. And that's a nice looking house. And if you look up on that top floor. There's a great lookout to sit and have a cup of tea or a drink of some sort. And a little parky thing there. But yes, living in one of these houses would be quite nice. And yes, and this is what you need to look at all day long if you were doing that. Of course, between Rangi and the North Shore over there, is the harbour, and all the ships coming into the port come between Rangitoto and the North Shore and then turn a right turn to go into Auckland Harbour. Yes. So you get a good view of the ships coming and going. None doing it at the moment, of course. But who knows? Yes. Here's the seagulls enjoying the day. And a few other birds there. Blackbird with a red beak, I'm not sure, and there's another one behind it. Yes. And a mollyhawk gull over there. A couple of big mollyhawks. One flying is a young one. It's got brown plumage, whereas the one not far from it is with the white and the black is an adult. Yes. And a person out there looking for things in the water. Feeling with their feet, maybe looking for cockles or pippies. I wouldn't be too chuffed about eating them with the stormwater drain here. Yes. Lots of good houses over there with lots of good views. Apartment block somewhere. Oh, there it is. Nice big apartment block. Built obviously for the views. So adds a better price. People like to look at nice views, including me. So this is my day today, Waitangi Day, around lunchtime. I'll soon have to consider lunch. That's the big boating club there, Yacht Club Boating Club. It has a nice boat ramp. Lots of boats. Maybe I'll take a little video when I walked along to there. Okay. Talk to you later.